Alright, this is a live look of the trade here. Looks like he wants to get to my target, but he doesn't at the same time. I'm at break even. So let's see if we're gonna hit this target or not. Um, let's see. Where's my snag it? Oh, there you go. Yeah. So I'm still recording. So live look of the trade, about to hit the target. Let's see. Come on now. He hit. He got to the 39 and a quarter. I'm looking at the 89 and a 50. But he got to 89 and a quarter. That was the high on that. So it's looking to hit it. Come on. Do it for the people. Do it for the people here. Do it live. I don't have a lot of time. I've only been recording for a minute here. Boom. Come on. Okay. So there's more buyers coming in here. Point of control just went up, meaning more and more buyers are coming in. There you go. Oh, he's trying to tease me. Hmm. So again, my entry was based on the fact that we got the open here, kind of go around that level. But when I see these buyers coming in here, that's when I went in. Normally, I was anticipating kind of like the breakout to the upside. My stop was down here originally. So, but let's see what happened in the next. Um, so 7. For the next 3 minutes, if this one doesn't hit my target, I may just close it manually, or because there's some sellers coming in here. I'm just gonna maybe take one less stick here, which is fine. Just gonna see if it can tag me in. Yeah, there you go. Come on. I just wanted to hit that. Go back to here to the 50. So if it goes green again here, I'm just gonna move my sub below this 86.25. Um, but that's essentially like a mental stuff for me right now. Or even maybe below here, I'll capture about 8 points, which is not bad. I'm only trading one contract on the ES this morning. We know this market can be volatile, so just gonna pause this for a second here because this video is getting longer than I thought it would be. So I'll be back. Alright, looks like we're getting green again here. We're flashing green and red. So let's see if we're gonna hit it or not. Come on now, ES. Make up your mind. There's definitely some big sellers. There's some big heavy selling going on up there, but also they might get run over by the buyers if they really see. My point of control is moving up, so I mean more and more buyers.
Target
There
filled.
you go. We hit the target. We hit the target. Mission accomplished. So what we should see here coming up would be either push through or a real pullback. Then I may decide to engage again. But for now, this trade is done and dusted.